BMW i5 M60 Touring, 2025. Adaptive M suspension professional with additional active roll stabilization. The top-of-the-range model is also available with adaptive M suspension professional, which uses M-specific characteristics to adaptively control damper forces. This option also includes active roll control including active roll comfort. The electric swivel motors ensure particularly fast and precise compensation of lateral inclination forces. The active roll comfort function ensures that the system not only reduces body roll, but also builds up a counter torque with the help of the 48-volt electric motors to keep the body horizontal, especially when the road surface is uneven on one side. In this way, the driver and passengers hardly notice any bumps in the road. Driving experience, driver assistance systems. The systems for automated driving and parking available as standard or as an option for the new BMW 5 Series Touring set standards in the competitive environment with their range of functions, reliability, and everyday benefits. The assistance systems increase comfort and safety in everyday driving and on long journeys. They support and relieve the driver in a variety of situations. A technology kit that is exceptionally powerful in the automotive sector is the basis for their outstanding functionality. It also offers unique potential for the future development of further automated driving functions. Intensive partially automated driving experience with the new highway assistant including active lane change assistant. The highlight of the range is the optional driving assistant professional including steering and lane control assist and distance control with stop and go function. In the US and Canada, as well as in Germany, the highway assistant is optionally available, which relieves the driver of steering tasks on highways with structurally separated directional lanes. At driving speeds of up to 130 km per hour, 85 miles per hour, it is possible to take your hands off the steering wheel and position them comfortably as long as you keep a close eye on the traffic. The system also includes the active lane change assistant with eye activation. The vehicle suggests a lane change and this can be carried out for the first time by looking in the exterior mirror to confirm the lane change. The active lane change assistant takes over the necessary steering movements, the traffic situation permitting. The combination of highway assistant and active lane change assistant enhances the Level 2 semi-autonomous driving experience in a way that is unique in the automotive sector. In addition, Driving Assistant Professional makes life easier not only on motorways, but also on country roads and in city traffic. With automatic speed limit assist, traffic light detection, market-dependent, route control and active navigation guidance, both the speed and the lane change assistance can be adapted particularly precisely to the respective traffic situation. Further components of the system are side collision protection with active return, the road priority warning and wrong way warning, the front crossing traffic warning with braking function as well as the emergency lane assistant and emergency stop assistant functions which can be used in selected countries. Assistance functions also available as a BMW connected drive upgrade. Depending on the market, the new BMW 5 Series Touring already offers a comprehensive package for optimized safety as standard equipment with the driving assistant. The latest versions of front collision warning, lane departure warning and lane change warning contribute to this, as do the rear crossing traffic warning with braking function, rear collision warning, exit warning, evasion assistant and crossroads warning with brake intervention. The optional Driving Assistant Plus includes a basic version of steering and lane control assist and active cruise control and distance control with stop and go function which can be used at speeds of up to 180 km per hour. 112 miles per hour. It is available both ex-works and as part of the BMW connected drive upgrades. This gives the customer the opportunity to test the additional functions and then book them for a defined period in the BMW connected drive shop. Control parking and maneuvering maneuvers with your smartphone. The new BMW 5 Series Touring features the parking assistant including start monitoring, trailer assistant, reversing assist camera as standard. The optional Parking Assistant Plus additionally includes the parking view, panorama view front and 3D view functions as well as the BMW Drive Recorder and Anti-Theft Recorder. Parking Assistant Professional is also available as optional equipment. It allows the driver to maneuver in and out of particularly tight parking spaces using the My BMW app on the smartphone. The BMW Maneuver Assistant, which is also included in Parking Assistant Professional, can also store complex parking and maneuvering maneuvers with a distance of up to 200 meters and then execute them automatically. After confirmation by the driver, it performs the entire maneuver, including accelerating, braking, steering and shifting between forward and reverse gear. The driver can control the process either in the vehicle or from outside via smartphone and concentrate on monitoring the surroundings. Display and control system, connectivity. The enhanced version of the BMW iDrive display and operating system with Quick Select also contributes to the advanced driving and travel experience in the new BMW 5 Series Touring with optimized options for intuitive interaction between driver and vehicle and innovative digital services. It is based on the BMW operating system 8.5 and features a redesigned home screen with vertically arranged function icons on the driver's side. Quick Select enables functions to be accessed directly without having to switch to a submenu. The new BMW iDrive is combined with the BMW curved display and the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. It is consistently designed to be operated by means of a touch display and natural language. As part of the standard BMW Live Cockpit Plus package, the cloud-based navigation system BMW Maps in combination with the BMW operating system 8.5 offers even easier destination entry and additional information while driving. The BMW Live Cockpit Professional option also includes the BMW head-up display and the augmented view function. The BMW Natural Interaction option is also available for controlling functions using gestures. Video streaming and air console games on the control display. The BMW operating system 8.5 offers a wide range of digital content for information and entertainment, faster update cycles for functions and optimized access to many specific online services. In addition to YouTube, the video app is also available for video streaming on the control display in conjunction with the connected package Professional. The entertainment offering includes both live channels and on-demand media libraries in the categories of news, sport, children's entertainment, movies, and series. The video app is available in the USA, the UK, South Korea, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, and soon also in Japan. The portals available across countries include Pluto TV, Bloomberg, TED, Yahoo, and Chile. There are also country-specific streaming services. In Germany, JOYN, ZDF, Tagesschau, Deutsche Welle. In Italy, Rai Play. In France, TF1. In the USA, Tubi, Gusto TV, Journey. In Japan, Hulu Japan, NHK+, NTV News NNN, TVer, WOW. The new BMW iDrive also enables the use of an innovative form of in-car gaming with the Air Console platform. Driver and passengers can play so-called casual games while the vehicle is stationary, for example to bridge waiting times while charging the high-voltage battery of the BMW i5 Touring. Players only need their smartphone, which acts as a controller, and the BMW curved display. BMW Maps navigation system with augmented view and optimized route guidance for charging. The BMW Maps navigation system can be upgraded with the optional augmented view function. Augmented view enhances the map display and enables particularly precise orientation. A live video stream from the driver's point of view is shown on either the control display or the instrument cluster and enriched with contextually relevant additional information. In the BMW i5 Touring, BMW Maps offers improved functions for route planning optimized for charging on long-distance journeys. The charging stops are planned so that the destination is reached as quickly as possible. The charging status preferred by the driver can be set to reach the stopovers and the destination. More detailed information can be provided on request about the charging stations accessed during the journey, such as availability, costs, and the infrastructure in the vicinity.